Hello, fellow Forex investors. Here we are again. Today's July 14th, 2015. And let's talk about this euro. We're still in consolidation here on the euro dollar. You can see that price came down. It came very, very close to, came very, very close to our support area right here at the low. We've got a doji pattern that's formed. It could either go up or go down. I've actually just, now that we've had this close of this bar, we actually have another interesting pennant that's been formed here that we can follow. So price could really get back up to 1.1170 based upon this pennant and the resistance area right here at the top. What are we looking for? Well, here we can see that we're in consolidation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bars where we have highs, lows, and closes that are within each other. I mean, honestly, if you look at the entire bar here dating back to June 29th, we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13 bars, which are very much within each other inside of this bigger breakout candle here. This is what we call a master candle. And so what we're going to do is we're going to wait and see where price plays out here, guys, because we don't really have a clear direction. We had some good 4-hour candles formed. We had a nice buy reversal candle that formed, and then the market took off, went up for a little bit, but then really just sold back off quickly. It's just a lot of interplay. It doesn't really give us anything clear, and for that reason, we're not going to call anything on the euro dollar, not today. Here we are looking at the dollar Swiss. The dollar Swiss did what we thought it would. It actually sold right off the top here, and which is really divergent from what we saw on the euro dollar. Very, very different movement here. And basically at the high here at 0.9510, where we have the trend line and the horizontal area of support and resistance as we discussed, price just dropped right off of it. Huge drop down, going about well over 100 pips here on the dollar Swiss. Once again, because we don't know what's going on in the euro, we're not going to take these two as they do have an inverse correlation. Now, on the pound dollar, here we go. Now, we've had beautiful movement on the pound dollar. Clearly, it's been moving up. This reversal candle, we expected to be able to sell off of it. It did not happen for us. We had a 1.5540 sell here, and, that, by the way, didn't hit, okay? Thank goodness. So price just went right through that 155.40 area, never gave us a shot to get into a sell here. And so, we got to be thankful for that. Okay? Because we never got a shot at it. It's like right here in this big bar here. And so that's 155.40. It didn't happen for us. It went right through that area, through that zone, and you can see price continue to move up. What are we looking for today? For tomorrow's trade, we're looking for 1.5570. So we're going to look for price to come down, and right where we have this 38.2 fib area, and we see price come down and really bounce off that point, we're going to look for that point again to be an area of support in the market. So 1.5570. The dollar yen, we are going to look for the same level basically. We had 122.65. We're going to look for 122.75. And why are we looking at this level? We have a Bollinger Band, 200 EMA, 50 EMA, all converging right now at this point with the trend line and the horizontal area of support and resistance. Talk about powerful potential trade. We're going to look for price to come down here really, really strongly, and then we're going to get in at 122.70. 122.75 on the dollar yen. So look out for that. I'm really excited about that trade. It should do well. Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar we called 0.7490. We're going to keep the same sell at 0.7490, even though as the market continues to move up. So if we get another shot at it, 0.7490, we'll get into a sell on the Aussie dollar. The New Zealand dollar. Now the New Zealand dollar, we got into a sell here at 0.6720. You can see that we're up 10 pips. We were up as much as 25 pips. And so you're going to have to just wait for this because we had a big 15-minute long reversal candle. And so we're going to look for price to really continue down here. This New Zealand dollar has been in a sell trend for quite some time, and we expect for it to continue to be in that direction. There's nothing to say to have it go any other direction at this point from a fundamental standpoint. Okay, so the dollar CAD's look at this beautiful reversal candle right here at the highs where we discussed before. There's the pod 3 strongest here, and also the trend line, which we can see dates back. Really looks very, very strong on the weekly chart for us here, and on the monthly as well. And so we see that price comes back to that area, and it looks like it's going to sell off of this zone on the dollar CAD. What we're going to do is we're going to buy, okay, because that's our strongest fundamental position at 1.2670. So right here where this next blue line is, we're going to get into a buy, at 126.70. If you look at it on the 4-hour, you'll see it there. And there's a 50 EMA there, a lot of support and resistance there, so we're going to get in at 1.2670 for a buy. Okay, and guys, one more trade that we do have that may not take today, but it looks like it may have some life in it. Give it a couple days perhaps. We've got a pound yen that we're really keen to look for here. We have a 50 EMA, 200 EMA, Bollinger Band, and a 23.6 fib, which are all converging right now at 191. So let me show you. There's a 23.6 fib here. It's at 190.93. We're looking for price to get to 191.00, and if price comes down from where it is at 192.85 and gets to 191.00, we're getting into a buy on the pound yen. Guys, those are our trades for July 14th, 2015. I wish you happy trading, and we'll talk tomorrow. All the best. Bye-bye.